The BMW i8, first introduced in 2014, has become a game changer in the world of supercars. The car has been a sensation since its launch, and it's easy to see why. The sleek, sexy, and futuristic design of the i8 is downright mesmerizing. From its scissor doors to its aerodynamic curves, every inch of this car was carefully crafted to perfection. Under the hood, the BMW i8 is a hybrid sports car powered by both an electric motor and a gas engine. When combined, this bad boy can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. This makes the car incredibly fast and efficient, and it's not often that you find a sports car that delivers both speed and fuel efficiency. The i8 can travel up to 22 miles on a single charge when driving in pure electric mode, making it perfect for short trips around town. Sure, the i8 can go up to 22 miles on a single charge in pure electric mode, but that's nothing compared to the Tesla Model S, which can go over 400 miles on a single charge. It's like trying to win a marathon with a toddler's tricycle. Don't get me wrong, the i8 is still a great car, but it's time for BMW to step up their game and give us a car that can compete with the likes of Tesla. I mean, who wouldn't want to drive a car that can go over 400 miles on a single charge? Now, what if I told you that BMW is soon releasing a brand new model of the BMW i8 with a significantly larger battery range? The new i8 will be a plug-in hybrid supercar with an all-wheel drive system and a carbon body. Its design will be inspired by the BMW Vision M Next 2019 concept car. The new plug-in hybrid i8 Halo car, yet to be named, will have an electric front axle and combine a turbocharged gas engine with an electric motor on the rear axle. The battery will allow at least 62 miles of EV driving between charging and a combined output of almost 600 horsepower, making it more powerful than the current i8. According to Car and Driver, the highly anticipated i8M is finally hitting the roads this year. This supercar is not only a beauty to behold, but it's also a force to be reckoned with. The i8M is set to take on hybrid sports car like the Acura NSX and the Polestar 1, as well as non-hybrids like the Porsche 911 Turbo. But let's be real, with a whopping 600 horsepower, it's pretty safe to say that the i8M is going to give them a run for their money. Do you want to know a secret? Our team of car fanatics is always up to date on the latest information about cars. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you can support us and become part of our car enthusiast family. When comparing the BMW i8 with the Tesla Roadster, there are several standout features that make it a worthy competitor to the Tesla lineup. First and foremost, the BMW i8 boasts a stunning design that combines futuristic aesthetics with classic BMW styling. The BMW i8 is like the cool kid in high school who's both stylish and athletic. Its futuristic design and low profile make it look like a sports car from the future, while the scissor doors make it feel like a luxury vehicle. On the other hand, the Tesla Roadster is like the science geek who unexpectedly becomes the coolest kid in school. It may not have the same BMW styling, but its electric powertrain allows it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 1.9 seconds, making it faster than most other cars on the road. However, a key advantage of the BMW i8 is its hybrid powertrain. The i8M's plug-in hybrid powertrain is anticipated to follow the same basic setup as the current i8, which means an electric motor driving the front wheels and a mid-mounted gasoline engine and electric motor for the rear wheels. Instead of the i8's turbocharged 1.5-liter 3-cylinder gas engine, BMW has said the new car will offer a turbocharged 4-cylinder. The company also claims a total system output of 591 horsepower, far more than the i8's 369 horsepower output. One of the biggest gripes with the original i8 was the difficulty of getting in and out of the car. It was like trying to contort yourself into a pretzel while wearing a straitjacket. But fear not, BMW has heard our pleas and is equipping the i8M with front hinge doors and a lower side sill, so you can gracefully enter and exit the car like a boss. The i8M is also going for the testing ground for BMW's wildest styling ideas. Maybe it'll have a giant spoiler that pops out of the roof like a transformer, or maybe it'll have holographic flames painted on the side. The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about the materials. The i8M is going to be lighter and stiffer than a piece of stale bread thanks to its advanced use of carbon fiber. That means better performance and handling, which translates to more fun behind the wheel. All in all, the i8M is shaping up to be a pretty sweet ride. The interior of the i8M is expected to be just just as impressive as the exterior. With a modern minimalist design, you'll feel like you're driving a spaceship instead of a car. The interior is expected to be loaded with high-quality materials that'll make you feel like royalty. You'll sit in a luxurious cabin with cutting-edge technology at your fingertips, like a large touchscreen display for the infotainment system that'll make you feel like Tony Stark in his Iron Man suit. And with advanced driver assistance features, you'll have a co-pilot that'll make driving safer and more convenient, just like having your very own Jarvis. The BMW i8 is set to feature a highly advanced autonomous driving system, which will bring significant improvements in safety, convenience, and driving pleasure. The autonomous system will be designed to take over the driving tasks entirely, allowing the driver to sit back and relax while the car navigates through traffic and performs all the necessary maneuvers. One of the key components of the autonomous system will be the advanced sensor and cameras, which will constantly scan the environment, detecting obstacles, pedestrians, and other vehicles. These sensors will provide real-time data to the car's computer, which will use complex algorithms to make decisions about how to navigate through traffic. Another key feature of the autonomous system will be the ability to learn and adapt to the driver's behaviors and preferences. The car's computer will be able to store data about the driver's habits, such as preferred routes, speeds, and driving style, and use this information to optimize the driving experience. You know what they say about the BMW i8. It's not just a car, it's a piece of art. And now with the i8M, BMW is taking the art to a whole new level. So if you're a fan of sleek, sexy, and fast cars, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all the latest automotive news and reviews. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be cruising in your very own i8M with holographic flames painted on the side. If you like this video, feel free to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.